list. So how are you guys doing? How is your October going? I hope it's going well. Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Here we are in the same spot again. It's okay. Anyway, today we are going to work on some travel agent business. So if you don't know, I'm a travel agent. I'm a very new travel agent, but a travel agent nonetheless. And I have some things I need to do and things I need to get in order. So the first thing I'm going to do, because your girl be scattered brained, is I'm going to write a to-do list. That's what I'm going to do. So of the things that I want to take care of this evening. So the first thing I want to take care of is, I need to reply to this email, this inquiry email. I need to budget my next trip. I need to pick dates for the group that I want to host. So do some research. And then, I need to fill out my calendar because I have some appointments and I need to literally get them on the books. So, just 4 things I need to do, which is perfect. I am a little bit earlier than normal today, at 6:30. So if you've been watching If you're watching my vlogs more recently, I've been getting home like 7-ish, but today 6:30, pretty good. I was listening to a book. I almost got sucked in. I was like literally sitting in the car like, oh my God, this book is so good. I don't want to get out, but I have so many things to do. Not so many, but I just have things that I want to get done. And I still have to like pick my daughter up from dance, and I have to also fix her some food before I pick her up. So I have to like stay productive and stay on top of it. So I'm going to start with some things. First, I have a video that is going to post today, and then I need to prepare for the video for tomorrow. And then, and I need to reply to this email. So I was like, it was telling me that my files weren't there, and my files are there. So I don't like this coloring. I guess because the window is open. But anyway, so I think I'm going to go ahead and set a timer. I'm also preparing to travel the end of the week. So I need to really start looking at that to-do list and seeing what I can get done. And then I got to make sure my daughter is ready, make sure I'm ready. Everybody's got to be ready. My son is being taken care of by his dad. But as far as like getting everything together. So just things are going all over the place, but that's okay. That's why we have to-do lists, and that's why we have planners, and that's why we have lists. So how are you guys doing? How is your October going? I hope it's going well. I've been focusing on just being productive every single day, because like that's the grind, and like grind in like the best way. A little tiring, a little overwhelming, but we're just going to keep pushing through. Okay. We're just going to keep pushing through, because the 10X rule, you got to read it to understand. But yeah, you just have to work hard sometimes. You have to work hard for what you want. So I literally am going to set a timer for 20 minutes. I'm going to finish off this video, and then that'll be the perfect thing to kick me off for my to-do list. So let's go. Alarm has went off. So, and it's gotten dark. So good 20 minutes. I finished my video which is perfect. And I'm going to set up plans for the next one. I think, yeah. Oh, I need to set it up. So this is the trouble with me being a day behind, is there's like a few extra things that I need to do to actually put the video up, but this Vlogtober is not for the week. It is not for the week. But I really wanted to like challenge myself to like do it, to see if I could like be productive, actually get it done. You know, make the vlogs like, can they be something? Can they be a little bit different? Like each one having a theme or whatever, or not having a theme, like, cause also they're vlogs, right? But like, I think, and I don't know, cause I'm not an expert, because I'm trying to just get better at my channel, right? So like, from what I've seen, it's like better when the vlogs have a theme and like you kind of like go with some type of theme. I don't know. And then I think about what I watch, and honestly, like I just watch to watch. Bruh. I just watch the vlog to watch the vlog. Like if I like the person and I like their channel, like I'm gonna watch the vlog. Now I may or may not stay and watch the whole vlog. I may or may not. But yeah. So I'm just trying to get a good feel for it. AI is literally on everything. Like I just right clicked and is my nail loose? I did like a right click by accident when I was typing, and there was a little option for, what did it say? Help me write. That's literally like an AI prompt, like prompting me to help me write something here. And like I clicked it by accident and a little bubble popped up. And then I use TubeBuddy on my YouTube channel. And it's supposed to be like a way to make your videos like better SEO, like better like search engine optimization, all of that. And it's supposed to like help you get better views on your YouTube. And I don't know if I am using it incorrectly. I don't know if I'm using it. I mean, I assume I'm using it right. Like I follow the prompts and I follow like what it suggests that I do. I'm gonna be honest, like I like some things I've seen it have results on, and some things it hasn't. And I don't know, is it me? I don't know. I really don't know if it's me or not me at this point. But okay, so something exciting. I just signed up for two things. One is a what does she call it? She called it a blueprint for creating travel content to like get like more traffic to you and like your channel, and like get more travel agent business by using social media. So I just signed up for that. And that's like something that like you purchase and it like walks you through everything. And then I also purchased a one-on-one with a travel content creator that I enjoy. And I think she's done like a tremendous job of like promoting herself, and she's like basically sharing her knowledge. And I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to get up in there. I'm going to check it out, check her out. And so yeah, I signed up for that. I have been really like thinking on it, praying on it, trying to figure out what I can do just to get better. And then this opportunity pops up, and I'm just like, okay, so I'm gonna take the opportunity to like talk to someone who's like done it and like see what they have to say and like what they can share with me. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So it's not that I'm not excited. I am very excited about it. I hope that it goes really well. I think I'm just focusing on not getting discouraged with like what I'm currently doing. And that's another reason why I want to do it. Oh boy. Work. I'm gonna stay encouraged. I'm gonna rally and I'm gonna stay encouraged because like I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, and we're gonna keep pushing, and we're gonna make things happen, and things are gonna get better, and we're going. Yeah. Anyway, the camera died, but yep, we're gonna keep moving forward, and we're gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not giving up. I know I can do it. I think also like this is another thing. This is something that I really want to do, and I want to get it right, and I want to like make it happen for me because like I really do genuinely enjoy like making videos and like sharing content. And I think that I'm good. I mean, I think that I'm pretty good at it. I don't know. Like I think that I am. Like I like watching my things. I like watching my own videos. Of course you do, ma'am. It's you. Like, why would you not like watching your own videos? Why would you not? But yeah, like, no, but seriously, I do genuinely like watching my videos, like after I make them, and I think that they're good. And I put them up with confidence, and I think it's good. So I'm going to keep going at it. I'm going to keep working on it. I'm not going to give up. So I'm not giving up. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm putting in money. I'm like investing in myself, and like really putting forth a good effort to like make this a thing for me.